Operation Sindoor lasted 25 minutes. 9 locations in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir were hit. Indian forces breached Pakistani defences to strike terror camps with clinical precision without touching any civilian or military installations.
Was ensured so that there will be no collateral damage.
And all this was achieved without crossing either the line of control or the international border. The Indian Army and the Indian Air Force used fighter jets, including Rafales and unmanned combat aerial vehicles or drones, to land the knockout punch. IAF Rafale jets fired the Scalp cruise missiles from within Indian airspace. The air-launched cruise missile has a range of over 500 kilometers, carries 450 kgs Broach warhead, and is guided by GPS and inertial navigation system. The Scalp missile can penetrate hardened underground bunkers and is capable of avoiding radar detection. The highly agile modular munition extended range, or HAMMER, is a precision-guided bomb kit that can be fitted to standard bombs up to 1,000 kilos. It has a range of 60 to 70 kilometers and is guided by GPS, inertial navigation system and infrared imaging or laser guidance. HAMMER is a high-precision, all-weather weapon which can correct its trajectory mid-flight. Manufactured by the Israeli defense tech company Rafale, SPICE is short for Smart, Precise, Impact and Cost-Effective. SPICE 2000 is a guidance kit for 2,000-pound bombs with a range of up to 60 kilometers. Its error probability is 3 meters and is an all-weather weapon. Indian Air Force had used SPICE 2000 in the 2019 Balakot bombing as well. Unmanned combat aerial vehicle or drones played a critical role in Operation Sindoor. Indian forces used the Harop drones in Operation Sindoor. These are developed by the Israeli Aerospace Industries. Described as a kamikaze or suicide drones, Harop is claimed to have an operational range of 200 kilometers and can stay in the air for up to 9 hours. It's usually launched from a vehicle-mounted machine. The use of advanced technology and missile systems by Indian forces only demonstrates the commitment to technological penetration.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.